Hello, I'm Kiana Johnson.
Cierra Pure.
Michael Davis.
Akil Davis.
Today we will go over basic math functions, addition and multiplication. But as a beginner, you all should know addition and multiplication, subtraction, and division are all basic math functions. We will also use autosum to automatically sum up the totals in the purchasing cycle invoice that we will use as an example. We have quantity, description, list price, total, and days of the week listed here in this Excel table. We will also use formula copying to get the numbers for other cells.
First step is to enter quantity amounts and list price. We already have days of the week and description pre-entered.
Take a brief intermission as we are entering in these cells.
Akil will now let you know the next step.
First of all, we change the cells that are currency formatted. Then we multiply quantity by list price to get the total of what Ray spent to get his itemized ribs for his shack.
All right, we will enter a formula. Akil is going to enter a formula.
Here's the formula. 84 times D4. D4 times D4, I'm sorry.
All right, and we hit enter and we get 225 for the full total. All right, Mike, what are we about to do next?
We will use formula copy and autosum next. First, we will use the command for formula copy in cells D5 through D8 to get the rest of the totals from quantity times list price.
Okay, so as he said, we're going to use formula copy for D5 and D8. We will use cell, well, maybe that was E5 and E8. And we're going to use cell E4 for the reference formula. We copy that, highlight the rest of the cells down, and hit paste. And there we have the totals that Ray spent for his rib shack. All right, what's next, Mike?
Using autosum in cell F7 will result the total. Ray spent Monday through Friday on items.
Okay, like you said, this totals up what Ray spent Monday through Friday. I'm going to autosum that's here in the home tab. I'm sorry. Go to autosum that's in the home tab, as I said, and I will highlight cells E4 through E8, and that gives us the full total of what he spent on ribs Monday through Friday. What's next?
We again use autosum to determine the total of items he bought for his shack.
Again, you go into that same home spot, and we will highlight the rest of these cells, hit enter. 320 is how many ribs he bought in all. Okay, so we also are going to try to do a graph on the information that we have based on the information that we have here. So I'm firstly going to highlight all of the information, including the days of the week. What we do next here?
We're going to go to insert and then we're going to go to chart. We're going to click 3D column. And then we're going to click the first one.
All right, and that results in the chart that shows all this information that we just put to the side minus the totals. And we also going to rename the chart title. What are we going to rename this chart title?
Ray Rib Shack.
We'll rename his total Ray Rib Shack. And again, these are all pretty much basic functions in Excel. Here goes the table. Across the bottom axis, we have grilled ribs, the description of the ribs that he have and the days of the week. And listed on the bar graph is the list price and the total paid. And there's plenty of ways that we could actually function to fix the graph right now. But I was giving you an idea of how you will go about fixing the graph. We pretty much covered addition and multiplication by using autosum, and we showed you how to get you a 3D chart based off of the information listed, and we used an example of an invoice purchasing cycle to do so. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial, and I hope you guys learned enough. Thank you for watching.